So question number 2 is, what is the first thing you should make/do when you launch a new business?
Yeah, I think we answered this question. When you
Yeah.
are getting started, create content. And there's also one thing you should really consider really quickly. Don't put all your eggs, I think that's the expression, all your eggs into one basket. Basically, when you are creating content on YouTube and when you are getting some traction, like 10 visitors or 10 subscribers, by the way, so 10 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, don't rely only on YouTube. Remember that these guys, YouTube can really cut you off overnight. Like if they don't like you, if your videos are bad, or if you are just saying fuck or something in your videos, that could be an issue for them. And eventually, if they want to just get you out of the place, out of the platform, they can do it. So if you have this in mind, you just have to keep it in mind really every single day. And you have to remember that the best way to be really secured about this is basically by taking these people who are just following you on social media, on YouTube, Instagram, everywhere, and try to get informations about them and try to catch their information by just creating a mailing list. So that's my idea behind that. Try to create your mailing list, because as we say in the marketing world, money is in the list. The more subscribers you have on your mailing list, the more money you're going to make in the long run. And especially if you have a problem with YouTube or Instagram or whatever, you can change and pivot to anything else. Yeah. So I think that's a really, really important topic.